Stud welding. Stud welding is a process used without filler metal, with or without external gas or flux shielding. Partial shielding in the form of a ceramic ferrule or a ferrule of another material surrounding the stud is sometimes used. Pressure is applied after the work pieces are sufficiently heated. Oh yeah. Gun, chuck, stud, ferrule. That's how you put it together.
When the trigger is pulled, the plunger pulls back the stud and arcs to the base metal, making a pool of metal, and then it pushes the stud down and the two metals are fused together.
This is our power supply. You got the on switch right here, timing controls, current controls. This just goes to the outlet. This is the gun and the ground.
Many different metals can be used in this process, like carbon steel, low alloy steels, stainless steels, and many non-ferrous materials. So now we're going to demonstrate how it's worked. We got a plain carbon steel base metal here with a 1/2-inch stud. Put down your ferrule, put the gun on top, apply a little bit of pressure, make sure it's straight, and pull the trigger.
You then chip off the ferrule, exposing the weld.
Now to test the weld. As you can see, the weld is very finely done.